This is the Django project which I implemented using ChatGPT. Project name is Fruit Shop. This is the pagination, page 1, page 2. If we add more items in the project, then pagination will increase. When we click item, we can see the item like this, and this is the cart page. We don't want any item in our cart, we can delete from here. And this is the sign up page. From here we can able to create a new user. Right now I am creating one new user and testing. Test user 1. I am giving the name and adding email for this user and adding password. Here we can see user created successfully and going to login with the username and password. Here we can see the page, and this is the username. And here one thing is settings. This button is disabled. This tab is disabled. When we going to log in with the super user, on that time that settings will be enabled. So I am going to log in with the super user. Super user name is test. Here I am going to log in, and this button is got enabled. Now we can able to add new item from this form, add new product. From here we can able to add a new item, and there is a description we need to add in the form of HTML. Then only we can see the arrangement of description. Only HTML supported here. If you write some text, it will also support, but it will not look good. And from below here we can edit and delete the item. If you want to edit, click the edit, and we don't want any item from the table, we can delete from here. This is the home page. I'll add this source code in the video description. If you want to try, you can try it. And thank you for watching.